So hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So your friend Kumar is back with another video here today related with Comet K. So today there was a result for Comet K 2021 and I congratulate all the students who have got the seats in this round of allotment and very much best of wishes to you so that you can excel in your future career and I thought why not bring about the third round cutoffs also so that students of this batch as well as the other batch is aware of the type of cutoff which goes. So I have covered many colleges, 35 colleges around, but that doesn't mean these are the only top colleges. After that also at least 25 to 30 colleges are there which are can be considered as a good college and you can take an admission. So around 60 to 70 college are at least there in Karnataka which are good, but if you can see, I will show you how much it goes the cutoff, and beyond that almost every college has a cutoff which is only 500 300 difference, and it doesn't make sense to take it all, right? So let's start with, so this is the first rank for 1 to 5 colleges. So right about this is the same thing which I covered previously also, and now you see the CSC of the RV College of Engineering which is 355 and ISC about 500. So a lot of students would have been happy after getting CSC and ISC at RV College of Engineering, and 100% all the students who got up to 10,000 ranks are very deserving. It's just a matter of fact of two questions here and there and you get different colleges, right? So all are very deserving, and 600 is where you can get AIML, and EC and EE around 3600, and I have also included ENT and ENI in this sheet because a lot of students who take electronics and telecommunications and as well as ENI instrumentation, right? And these two are also good branches, at least in the top colleges you can take these branches, right? So that's why reason, and these students have also got a very good cutoff and they also have a very good future, right? So now coming to the next college, BMS, around 1400 1500 you are getting AIML. So this is also very good this time, and MS Ramaya Institute of Technology. So you can see now 860, so up to 1000 CSC is only 3 college options. First 3 colleges you can get CSC up to 1000 rank, ISC up to 1500, and AIML almost like a 2000 rank. So it's a CSC 1000, ISC 1500, AIML around 1000 2000 in the top 3 colleges, and electronics up to 3000. So if you see IMS Ramaiah 2936, and I congratulate all the students there, superb, and the fourth rank is obviously the JSS University in Mysore. So they are again two different type of branches, so 2551 and 3748, and you see there AIM EC is around 6500, so very competitive. And the fifth rank is of course in Bangalore, so BMS ITM, and use 3400 for CSC and ISC around 5000. So up to 5600 you're getting CSC, ISC, or AML in top 5 colleges. So that's very good. 5000 rank students can get in top 5 college or top 3 branches, right? So that's quite good, and third round was very good. So let's move ENT and EI. If you see, it has gone to 40,000 for BMS ITM. So that's why reason, if you see from the next set of colleges, I have removed the last 2 columns because the cutoffs for those branches have there and everybody can get it, right? So there's no need of putting that. So covering only the 4 core branches, and every other branch people can get in every college, right? So now this is the next phase, right, where it is about Dayanand Sagar 6th rank, right, 2800, so under 3000 still. ISC under 4000, and AIML 4300 and 4570. So these were the few new branches were introduced, and you will see the cutoffs goes down, right? Bangalore Institute of Technology 6th rank, right, for under 4000 you are getting CSC, and up to 6000 ISC. So again this has come down very well. And I in Mysore 4300 and 5500, and if you see the top 10 colleges is up to 6500, your students have got CSC and 7248. So Siddhganga is at rank 10 based on the cutoffs, but this is a very good college and a lot of students were inquiring about this, and congratulations to those students. Please take a good study at as well as in these colleges, and you have a great future here also, right? So NI Mysore in second option in Mysore is also good, and MVIT obviously, and Siddhganga is also great. So 10 class 10 colleges have covered, and if you see the EC now it has gone to up to 15,000. So somebody who's interested in EC up to these colleges, they can definitely take, and these are all the top colleges, and definitely you have a very good future, right, in EC. Next, coming to these colleges are also superb colleges, and it is in the category of 11 to 15. NMIT, Niti Meenakshi, RNS, RVITM. RVITM is a new college. It doesn't have any placement record, but others, NMIT, RNSIT, CMRIT are definitely very good colleges, and you can see the cutoffs are also very good. 7,000, 8,000, and up to BNMIT 10,000 you are getting CSE, so that's quite good. And up to 17,000 you are getting AIML in top 15 colleges. So that means out of 45,000 students who gave Comet K, for 17,000 up to 17,000 you are getting some sort of AIML or computer related branch in say, right? So that is good amount of cutoff which has come down. So that's why I thought with this particular sheet, right, a lot of the dreams of the students would have come true, and this was actually a very good cutoff has come down very well on this, and these are the good colleges which people do inquire. And so that's what EC in Benamite, you can see it has gone up to 38.55. So that's why I suggest after this college you have to be very cautious if you want to take ECE, because now it's available for every student, and placement may or may not be there 160-70%. It may be just 30-40% in ECE, so you have to be cautious. Now coming to the next set of colleges, so CSC, CSC for 11,000, 10,000 onwards. So you see 11,000 CSC up to 15,000, you get another 5 colleges. So top 20 colleges, CSCs are now under 15,000. So and ISCs are 21,000 and AIML are 21,000. So you can see if you are interested in any computer related branch, right, computer science, be it ISC, be it any specializations, then you have up to 21,000 you are getting in top 20 colleges by cutoff, so these are very good. And ECE, you see now, that's why I was saying, you have to be very cautious. NMM, JSSCT, and even MS Ramaya ECE are now available at 40,000, close to 40,000. So the placements will be 40 to 50% range in most of these colleges you see here. So you have to be cautious when you want to take this, but the colleges are definitely the best and the good colleges. NI Institute Mysore has a 50 to 60% placement only, but cutoffs are very high because, as you understand, this is part of the NI group, NI Mysore, so that's the reason a lot of students takes this. But for CSC is definitely good. CSC ICE is definitely a good placement, but ECE is less, right? So that is what. Moving to the next round, right? So colleges between 21 to 25. So Ambedkar in Bangalore, again it was again under 15,000. Gitam was also under 15,000, but so that's what. And ISC around 18,000 you're getting in Ambedkar, so that's good. And if you see further, Dayanand Sagar, and Acharya, right? So around 17,000, and SDM Dharwad, another good college, 18,000. So SDM not being in Bangalore, there's a lesser demand. If you see the cutoff has come down quite good. So, but it is still in a top 25 colleges in Karnataka. And similarly ISC is still intact at 21,390. So if you see, ISCs have not come down very well, but CSCs have come up to this rank very well. So now if you see, the difference between CSC and ISC is not big, only 1,000 to 2,000, 3,000 ranks are the differences, because you are going to the lower end of the cycle. So an EC, your Acharya is available 42,000, and even in Dayanand Sagar University it's at 39,000. So ECN are come down very beyond 35-37,000 rank, and you have to be cautious. Placement will be 50% or so on, right? And next is a 26 to 30 set of colleges. So if you see here, DSATM, right, another college from the Dayanand Sagar group, and 3 of them have a placement common together. So that's the reason good amount of opportunities comes to students. So here also you see, now within 20,000 you are getting CSC, and 30,000 ISC, and 30,000 is the AIML. So in the Dayanand Sagar group you're getting that. EC has gone down very low, 40,000. So that's why if you see EC in these sheets are very low, and it is at your risk. KLS Gokte 20,000 CSC, 25,000 ISC, Cambridge 21,000 and 23,000 you can see, so it's still good. And SJBIT 21,417, and so I know Sushant, this is Sushant's seat, so ISC 28,306, and Vidya Vardhaka College, right, 21,000. So up to 22,000, these are the options you are getting. CSC 21,000. and up to 30,000 you are getting ISC. So these are quite good, up to 30,000 you are getting ISC in still decent college. If I have to say, these are above average, right? So these are not the average college, but these are above average colleges, almost close to the good category, right? Yeah. And these are a little bit if you see, the surprise here is the PS Monday not being in Bangalore. It's a CSE cutoff has come down to 23,000 and ISC to 29,000. So that's quite surprised, and they don't have AIML and CSDS branch. So there, the cutoff has come down. AMC College of Engineering 26,000 you are getting, Sambaram 27,000, and KLEM Seshagir 28,000. So it is actually, if you see, I've covered 28,000, right? So there's a big limit which has gone already out of 45,000 students. 28,000 is what you get still CSE, and 37,000 you get ISC, 35,000 you get ISC in this sheet, right? And AML also we get up to 38,000. So I thought, this is almost, I have reached, where, because after that every college is available at and the cutoffs are around 40, 42, 43,000. So those are very, and it doesn't mean that these are the only 35 colleges which are the best, but I could go up to 40, 50, 60 and none, but up to 60, 70 colleges in Karnataka are very good. It's just a small difference between the placement and a small difference between the rankings it causes there. Like if you see in this sheet from Bangalore itself, you don't see Don Bosco, you don't see Oxford College of Engineering, and many other colleges, right, which are good, decent. MVJ, so MVJ is not part of Permit K, but a lot of good colleges are not here, right? So, but if you see, from the perspective of other colleges in the other region also, you don't see some, MIT, which is also a decent placement in Mangalore, or your Sahyadri, which have got a very good placement in Mangalore side, right? And similarly KLE IT, KLE IT Institute of Technology, or SDM IT, those two colleges are also having very good placements, but those are not, I've not gone to that extent. Similarly, in other regions, like there's a JNNC which is in Shimoga, there is a Ballari Institute of Technology Management, BITM in in your Bellary, right? And so on, PDA in Gulbarga, and those are also very good colleges, and their placement, but being not a lot of students from India level are not aware of those colleges, and their placements are good. I have done a review of almost those colleges also, and they are also higher salary, you will see up to 40 lakhs, right? So, but those students may not be aware, and they have not taken those colleges, and the cutoffs are beyond 38, 40,000. So I have not covered them, but definitely you can take. That's all I have to share, so that you have a very fair idea. And if in any case that round 4 or the exclusive round happens, and if you want to participate, you have this baseline available with you, so that can decide if you want to go. And today there was also the vacant seat matrix was available. So after acceptance of this round, the vacant seat matrix will again be revised and it will come. So if you find your if there is another round and you find you can get better things, then you can definitely participate, and then you can refer this very handy. So that's all from my side, and thank you for watching. And please do like and subscribe the video if you find interesting. And again, best of luck to all the students who have got the seats in round 3, and best of luck for your career, right? Take care and have a